Listed below are systolic blood pressure measurements in millimeters of mercury obtained from the same woman. Find the regression equation, letting the right arm blood pressure be the predictor or X variable. Find the best predicted systolic blood pressure in the left arm given that the systolic blood pressure in the right arm is 95 millimeters of mercury. Use a significance level of 0.05. So we are given some correlated blood pressure values for the right arm and the left arm. We are asked to make a prediction about the systolic pressure in the left arm given a value of 95 for the right arm. We notice first that that value 95 is within the range of the sample values for the right arm. So we should look at the scatter plot. So let's click the rectangle and open in Statcrunch. We're going to click Stat, Regression, Simple Linear. The X variable, we are told, will be the right arm values, and the Y variable will be the left arm. We're going to leave the Hypothesis Test button selected, and in case the hypothesis test finds the model to be significant, we will enter 95 for the X value for our prediction of Y. Now we'll click Compute. If we click the arrow on the bottom right, we will find a scatter plot that consists of the blue dots and then the fitted regression line. And we appear to have a bit of a linear relationship, except for maybe this one outlier here. So we'll look at the p-value for the test of the correlation and see if we do have a significant model. So we'll arrow back to the output box here, and we find that the p-value for the slope is 0.0731. We were told to use a significance level of 0.05. So since this p-value is greater than alpha, we would determine that this model cannot be used to make predictions about the Y variable given values of the X variable. So the only value that is appropriate to use to make predictions for the Y variable, or the response variable, would be the mean of the response variable. So again, we'll click Stat, Summary Statistics, Columns, Left Arm, and then click Compute, and we find that the mean is 155.8. So 155.8 is the value that we should use as a predicted value for the systolic blood pressure for the left arm, given any value for the right arm.